I'm going to go ahead and start a hand drill fire, and I'm using a common name is mulefat for the hearthboard, and I'm also using mulefat for the hand drill. And I have a piece of inner yucca stalk here, which will be my coal extender. And I'll show you how easy it is. You want to place the coal extender right directly below your hearthboard and go ahead and start spinning. With the sides of your hands, it's easier for you not to get blisters. And you want to just spin and give even pressure as much as you can until you see smoke. And that's when you're going to want to go ahead and give it some more pressure. You'll notice some small pieces of dust collecting at the bottom of your hearthboard, and that's what's going to end up being your coal. So now I'm going to continue to give it some more pressure that I saw the first bit of tiny smoke. And you'll see some more smoke now. And eventually, it's going to light that dust on fire and become your coal. Almost got it. One more time. So it looks like it's good and lit now. I'm going to go ahead and let that burn for a second before I do anything. And slowly take away the hearthboard and let that coal burn down into my coal extender. Once the yucca stalk lights on fire, there's no more need for the dust. And I'll show you, by dumping this out in the pot here, what you could dump into your fiber bundle. The yucca stalk is still very much lit. It can be blown into a larger ember, which can be made into many pieces and put inside your fire to start a nice fire. Make sure it's good now because it keeps burning for a long time. And that's a hand drill fire.